one is attention. And how do we get attention? There are a million different ways, but one easy way to get attention is, again, referring back to evolution. So for millions of years, the kind of environment that surrounded us was kind of like this. Not much was happening around us. Whenever there was a sudden movement, it typically meant that there is a predator coming at us. So sudden movement is immediately getting our attention because we need to fight or flight in order to survive. However, only 100 years ago, the monitor was invented, televisions were invented, and marketers quickly realized that this is a fantastic device to get someone's attention. And now, this is how Times Square looks like. This is something that the human brain is absolutely unprepared for. For millions of years, we weren't surrounded by an environment like this, and in only 100 years, our brain is not prepared to know that this is not necessarily something we have to pay attention to. And that's why fast cuts, especially in short-form content, work. This is a creator, he is making cooking videos, and in this following video, I will play for you the first 10 seconds, and I invite you to count how many cuts he has. I also invite you to think about that the video itself doesn't really have any sound. There is no storylining. There is no one talking over the video. This is going to be just fast cuts of visually engaging content. So 10 seconds, try to count how many cuts there are. Okay, so I had the benefit of pausing this video before, and I can tell you it's 17 cuts in 10 seconds. And you could see that the video is not really telling a story. There is no music. There is no interesting storylining or anything like that, just fast cuts. And then the reason why it works is because we are not yet used to basically screens. Only a couple of generations passed since the television.